Security and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, government regulator of share market, has once again set up its store at Hornbill Festival in Kisama. Joy Agarwal from SEBI Kolkata office said that the government has given mandate to SEBI to protect investors. However, he said that investors' protection comes from investors' awareness. He said that this awareness is possible at events that have crowds such as the Hornbill Festival.
We are at the first day of the Hornbill Festival 2025. This is the 26th edition and we are at the SEBI store. So we have someone from SEBI and he will introduce himself. So what is SEBI? He will tell us what SEBI is, and also he will tell us the vision and the whole purpose of why they have decided to set up a SEBI store in Hornbill. So sir, can you please introduce yourself and also give us a gist about what SEBI is all about?
Thank you very much. A very nice afternoon to all of you. My name is Joy Agarwal. I am from SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, Kolkata office. So we are a government regulator. We regulate the securities market. So in general we call the share market. So we regulate things like stock exchanges, shares, mutual funds, investment advisors. So one of the mandates which the government has given to SEBI is investor protection. So investor protection comes from investor awareness. So we try to always take part in such events where there is a large gathering or there crowd pooling, so that we can kind of invite the people, the visitors who have come there for the festival or for the event or for the book fair, and give some free booklets to them, tell them what is good, what is wrong, not good for investments, how to avoid fraudulent scams and things like that, because that's one of the big mandates of SEBI. So we believe with more investor awareness, they will be more empowered and less number of scams and frauds will happen, because we have seen, plus in the northeast unfortunately there is not much penetration of the mutual fund and securities market. People are still not very aware, the common man. So by participating in events like the Hornbill Festival, where we are participating now for the 4th year in a row, so it's the opportunity for SEBI to engage with the local audience. We have got like some materials which are in English. We have also tied up with a band, local band over here. So we have made a a song in English and Nagamese this time, that we are also planning to showcase in the stage, also in the main arena, maybe in the day or the day after. So these are all engagement efforts by SEBI, so as to we can reach to a wider audience. Yeah.